To download Lost Castle 2 on a PC or laptop, start by downloading Steam, an app that allows you to buy, download, install, and play games. Begin by typing Steam into a search engine. Then navigate to the Steam website. Click on Install Steam and select your platform, for example, Windows, and click Install Steam again. Open the Steam setup and follow the prompts. Click Next. Select your language, and choose a destination folder for the installation. You can leave the default settings or change them as desired. Once you've made your selections, click Install to complete the installation. With Steam installed, open the app and either log in to an existing account or create a new one by following the on-screen instructions. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Steam store by clicking on the Store tab. Then use the search box to find Lost Castle 2. Click on the game. Scroll down to the Buy Lost Castle 2 inches button, and then click Add to Cart. Proceed to view your cart. Select whether you're purchasing the game for yourself or as a gift, and continue with the payment process. Choose your payment method and complete the checkout process to purchase the game. After buying the game, it will be added to your Steam library. To access it, click on the Library tab. Find Lost Castle 2 in your list of games, and click the Install button. Select any desired shortcuts and choose a drive for installation. Then click Install to begin downloading and installing the game. Once the installation is complete, you'll receive a notification from Steam, and you can launch the game by clicking on it in your library. A green Play button will appear, and clicking it will start the game, allowing you to begin playing.